Hadu mentah kesengi gidon kendai active case. Ki belajam gilong sau fuar, but total berok ki positive cases apa state Meghalaya gilong san fuar. Bela kalano sau fuar gilajam but kendai ki active case. Nangta ki bangi lapa iki sampul bentes gilong kat kendai hajar lai spa ar hunriu, iwe kendai lai ar hunriu, but ki balat test negative gilong kat kendai hajar ar pupra, iwe kendai not ar pra. Ki badang up pada yak resort yak report adu mentah ulai 3 Jun kilong arspa sabun riu nang ta de KIBA Wanphai na sabar jong Meghalaya adu mentang sengi kilong khat kendai hajar khat riu khat iwe kendai not iwe riu ti gomba tip mentah po eskasils gidon sangut nang ta hari boy di iwe nang ta southwest Garo Hills gidon arngut but highest Gentle Hills iwe. The latest positive case is today. It was yesterday. It was tested positive. One person came from Guwahati via Bernihat to Cleariat. In the Cleariat, we have got the information. Immediately, they have intimated to the health department, and health department send him to the institutional quarantine center, and the next day they have taken the sample, the swab. After the same day, it was tested positive. Kadang mengajeng tip kejongi hi, idang syuan hi menin sisngi idang syupoi, but menin lale ya ke test, balala positif labu no po corona care center. Branch manager juga SBI, Cleariat. MD resident juga Meghalaya, di bertrai po Meghalaya Cleariat SBI branch. The new appointment in Branchuan po Assam and Meghalaya. Because from the entry point, there's so much rush in the Bernihat entry point. So the government in the review meeting, we have taken the decision like this. Those people are coming to Shillong and Jawai. They will be allowed them to come and take the sample and tested. Will be testing here only. Those going to Garo Hills, they will be taking to Garo Hills. The testing will be done in Garo Hill. Southwest Khas and also in the West Khas, the people will be allowed to go because there is so much rush in only one entry point in Bernihat. That's why we have taken the decision to do it in their own destinations. I kublai hisha yakini ki BDP na Cleariat. I kublai yakini ki Rangba Ashnong, Darba Ashnong. Dan limdam day na jing tre hitom jong ki nong shnong baro ki Rangba Ashnong jongi ki nong kitam shnong ki BDP ki volunteer ki senglong kmi ki sengsamla nginomla banong banya yakun yong ni COVID-19 tingi nga ngilagalyang jong health department kumu health minister nga aku blay yaki baro yung tresto mo jongki ban ngi ong ba ngalakren bo siyam ru menin kesngi ba kumno ngidi ban aga keno ga token of appreciation nagamanta kini ki community volunteer ki jongi batre sutom kumno banyada na uneu COVID-19.
In Bernihat, it is like this. The people coming, there are people who are samples are being taken in Bernihat. There are people where samples are being taken in Shillong Civil Hospital. So in Bernihat, I think there was a communication gap since he had not registered. So they were thinking that he will come and get himself tested, his sample will be taken in Civil Hospital. That was the communication gap. It's not a slip. He showed his ID out there. It's only there was a communication gap between Bernihat and maybe here in Shillong Civil Hospital. Strengthening the decision that we have to strengthen our entry points now, from now on, that came yesterday, the decision. He came on 28. Yes, it could have been avoided, but I think this is one case which we have learned a very good lesson from here. It appears to be a violation, so we are still going into that because if there is necessity, then we'll have to file FIR for these type of cases like this.